everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be talking about the best gifts to get for the cooking lover in your life this holiday season. So, you know, all of us have that friend that is the chef friend or the wannabe chef or the family member that just loves to be cooking in the kitchen. So I thought that I'd put together some of my favorite things that we found off of Amazon that I am loving using not only this holiday season, but just in general overall. So let's get into it. Okay, starting off with these gorgeous gold cooking utensil sets. It has your pasta strainer, it has your soup spoon, it has your spatula. It's got everything that you need to cook in the kitchen while also being stylish, because I love having this gold sitting on my counters because I have like a very high contrast white and black kitchen. And so I need a little pop of a different color on my backsplash so that it didn't blend in with the black, but I also didn't want to go with white because there was already so much white happening in the kitchen. So having a little pop of gold adds that a little bit of a glamorous element to it without being over the top. So love this as a nice gift this holiday season. Can you say Merry Christmas with a soup spoon? I think you can. Next thing on our list is this gorgeous Martha Stewart knife block. And this has an incorporation of all of the dining knives that you need, but also some great cutting knives as well. So I love the white handles on these too, because it just ties in perfectly with the design of my kitchen. And with my knife block, I didn't really want them to stand out on the counter. I wanted them to be a little bit more subdued and blend in. So having these white ones with a nice neutral wooden block was a great addition to the counter. So look at that. Love that. And that is linked below in the description. So you can go find it right there and shop. And then while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because then you're gonna be able to come back and watch more home design videos and see what we're putting in our house and how we are styling and decorating it. And hit that bell button up at the top, because then you'll get notified every time we post a new video. So go down below and happy shopping. So let's get into some more videos, some more gifts. And if you're a cook, you probably love sharing your creations with everyone you love. So that means that you're also a host too. And that's why I love this glass drink dispenser. You will be the talk of the town having these gorgeous glass drink dispensers. When I store them, I store the handle upside down because I do not want to mess up this top. But this has like a gorgeous acorn top on it. Absolutely stunning. So striking. And then a huge vase to be able to hold your lemonade, your strawberry, your sweet tea, whatever kind of party you're having, it can hold it in a elevated, luxurious style. So I actually have two of these and I love using them for hosting. So this is definitely a must-have if you know a cook that loves hosting and having people over to enjoy all those amazing meals around the table. Okay, next, nothing shows that you care more than an amazing acai. I might be saying that wrong, but I'm gonna put some text here that says the word. Then these gorgeous wooden charcuterie and cutting boards, because sometimes people just don't buy these nice ones for themselves, but giving them as a gift is such a great way for somebody that loves to create a charcuterie board and host people. And this big round one with the varying color in it, with the darker and the lighter acai wood, is one of my favorites to pull out for charcuterie boards because look how big it is. You have plenty of room to put cheese and pepperonis and some grapes, olives. So you can really just create a masterpiece on this, and that's why I love it so much. So both of these will be, these will be linked down in that description below. So the Kosori kettle is such a great thing to use when you're entertaining people because you can set the temperature and then you can tell it to hold. So it'll hold that temperature for, so that your guests can use it and get some tea, maybe make some hot chocolate, and you're not gonna constantly have to be starting it and restarting it. You'll just have to restart it once it's empty and it needs some more tea time. But I like the sleek black look because it looks so beautiful on your counter with the gooseneck spout and the shape of the body on this. It not only looks beautiful, it is so functional too, with all of these features like the hold feature and the variable temperatures that you can set it to. It's not just one temperature that you can boil the water up to. You have multiple temp options, so it's very versatile and user friendly. Whew. Okay, lastly, we're going to talk about one of my favorite things, and this maybe is less for cooking lovers, but just pretty much anybody that likes having something simple and easy to use in the kitchen to make their coffee, is the Nespresso machine. Ever since I got this, I have not been able to make my coffee any other way because I've tried French press, I've tried a pot of coffee, I've tried even the old Keurigs, and nothing, literally nothing, guys, makes my coffee taste as good as this. So this is my top secret for making coffee and espressos from home that tastes so delicious, is using my Nespresso machine. And these are the pods that I love the most, and I literally have them on constant repeat order from Amazon because I drink a lot of them. But that's okay because it is worth it, and it's better than going to Starbucks and always buying coffee, in my opinion. So this is definitely a great way to make your coffee, and you can include creamer, but most of the time I don't even do that because the frothiness that it creates just really makes you feel like you just went to a coffee shop and got a great cup of coffee. And for me, having my mornings with journaling and a Bible study and sipping coffee is one of my favorite parts of the day. So having good quality coffee during that time it's essential. It's essential, guys. If you're a cooking lover and always looking for new recipes to try, because if you're like me, you don't want to have the same thing over and over. You want to try new things. You want to be learning new recipes. So having Magnolia's table in your kitchen propped up on a cookbook stand is a great way to step in and say, okay, what's something new and refreshing that I can try learning and cooking today or this week or this weekend, and really push ourselves to become more creative and try new things. So look, chicken, pecan, asparagus, casserole. I haven't tried to make that yet, but that sounds fantastic, especially for Christmas, Thanksgiving, the holidays. That sounds warm and toasty. I'm all here for it. So things like that would be great for a cooking lover in your life because I'm always looking for inspiration, and I think that the people that you're shopping for on your Christmas list would appreciate that too. Grilled bruschetta chicken. Oh my gosh, man, see, when I look through this cookbook, I just get hungrier and hungrier. I mean, Grandpa Stevens cabbage rolls. Now that sounds interesting. Actually, I don't know if that sounds very tasty, but we'll go to the next page. Desserts remind us just how sweet life can be. Isn't that the truth? Look, Lucy's peanut butter brownies. Woo! Let's talk about making those around the Thanksgiving table this year. So I rest my case. This is a great gift for the chef in your life. Okay, everybody, that is all of the gifts that I wanted to share with you guys today for the cooking lover or the chef in your life. Or, you know, the person that just loves having people gather around the table and hosting. These gifts will bring a smile to their face this Christmas season. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button down below. And then I will see you guys next week. And until then, bye guys.